Hi everyone, I'm Dave and I'm here to talk about chicken and how the amazing versatility of the Big Green Egg will allow you to grill, roast, smoke, and bake all on the same outdoor cooker. Now when it comes to simple and easy, grilled chicken breast is probably the way to go, but I have to be honest, before I got my egg, the thought of a grilled chicken dinner wasn't the most exciting for me. But the cooking process here is so unique, it's almost impossible to screw up even if you overcook it. You're going to be cooking some of the juiciest chicken you've ever had in your life, and it just might become your favorite meal. Another great technique for chicken on the Big Green Egg, roasting. Now there's no need for a rotisserie because the way the Big Green Egg works with that radiant heat circulating all around your chicken, it's going to lock in those juices for fantastic results. Now when I'm roasting, I like to combine the smoke option as well. I can oven roast 350 or more, put in some smoking wood and add another level of flavor that I just simply can't produce indoors in my oven. One of the easiest things I do is just rub down a whole chicken with my favorite spices or rubs. You can use some butter and herbs if you like. Set it directly on your cooking grid atop your convector, set for indirect cooking. Some folks might like to use a ceramic vertical roaster. You can put in some soda, some juices, different liquids to get it even more aromatic and juicy. You can use a vertical chicken roaster, and when used in combination with a drip pan, you could either be roasting vegetables or catching drippings to make an awesome gravy. Whatever technique you use, one of my favorite things is to use a remote probe thermometer because it allows me to place the chicken in the egg, insert my probe, shut the lid, and then simply step away until my chicken's done. And used in combination with the spatchcock technique, you can either do that indirect roasting as well. A lot of folks like to use that raised direct grilling. Either way, with the remote probe thermometer, it'll help you achieve some amazing results. Everyone knows the Big Green Egg is an amazing grill. It's the world's best smoker, but don't forget, you also now have an outdoor convection oven. With the addition of the convector and cooking grid, it's the equivalent to the center oven rack of your oven inside, only outdoors. Today we kept it simple, chicken thighs drizzled with olive oil and rubbed with our favorite spice rub, but rest assured whatever your favorite baked chicken dish is, it'll be better on an egg. So whether you're grilling, roasting, smoking, or baking, come see us at Outdoor Home and let us show you the true versatility of the Big Green Egg. Just off South Campbell on Tracker Road, Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.